All right, Language Explorer. So let's look at today's Tuesday verb. So call. Call. Hello. So to talk to someone from a long distance. To talk to someone from far away. To talk to someone far away. Far away. To make your voice heard from far away. Can you hear me okay? Call. I'm calling you. Can you hear me? Hello. Call. I will call you. I always call you on Sunday. I always call you on Sunday. I've been calling on her every Friday since 2016. Every Friday. I've been calling her every Friday since 2016. Yeah, every Friday I have a call to make. I have a call to make. Yes, can you hear me okay? Very important, yeah. So we could then say, I call, you call, they call, they will call me tomorrow. They will call me tomorrow. You can call me when you like. Yeah, I'll call you after I've finished recording my lesson. I will call you after my lesson. How cool is that? He calls. She calls. It calls. Yeah, it calls to me. I can hear it. The road, it calls to me. The road, it calls to me. Calls to me. Come here. Come here. Yeah. Yeah. And he calls her when he has free time. She calls him first on a Sunday. Or on Sundays. How cool is that? Yeah. They call each other. Hello? Hello? Hello, can you hear me okay? Yeah, I can hear you. Yeah. They call each other. How cool is that? So, you called them? When did you call them? Why did you call them? You called them by yourself? I'm impressed. You called them just now? Why? You called them just now? Why? Who is calling you? Who are you talking to? Who is calling you now? Who is that calling you? Who's calling you? Oh, hold on. Who's calling you? Hold on. Okay. They might call me soon. Yeah, maybe. They might call. It depends on things, yeah. They might call me. It depends. It depends on things, yeah. It depends on the weather. Yeah, they might call me. They really should call me. They really should call me at 5 p.m. Yeah, they really should call me then. Yeah. Yeah, so call. So she has a call to make. Oh yeah, wait, hold on. Let's try this one. Yeah, there we are. Very good, yeah. So she has a call to make and the ocean calls to me. So she has a call to make and the ocean, it calls to me. I can hear the ocean. It calls to me. Yeah. How cool is that, Language Explorers? Call. To talk to someone from a long distance. To make a voice heard from far away. Whether physical or metaphorical. The ocean calls me. The road calls to me. Nature calls. The call of nature. The call of nature. The call of nature. The call of nature. Adrian, come. How cool is that? Yeah, so call. Now, can you use call in a sentence? Can you write that sentence in the comments below? And like the video and subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come, more things on their way. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. Just look for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too. Look for Adrian Nanchev. Adrian Nanchev, yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.